I welcome you once again to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you something very simple. This is a layer of the shoe that I make. Someone asked in the previous video how I put holes in the soles in these layers that I make. So with me here is a punch. This is called a punch. This punch is used to put the holes here. So we are going to be putting holes together so that you can see how we do it. Like, you can mark different points where you're going to put the holes, but I've not marked, so I'm just going to put, just to show you how you're supposed to do it. You see I'm holding this punch. It is like a pair of scissors, kind of. So you put what you want to punch, and then you hold like this. So I'm going to put holes here. You just press like this. Well, that's a hole already put. That's one. Also, if you want another one, if you want more holes or many, that's what you keep doing. So we are going to put another one here. Then another one. You make sure you put them on a line in case you're going to crochet on the sides. Another one. So this is simply it. You just keep putting holes. So this punch you see here can be adjusted. You can see it has different, these are different in different sizes. So what you do, you can have a screwdriver or a knife. You open here, then after opening you can always adjust. This one can be moved to different directions. I don't have a screw right now, but if you have one, you just open here, then you keep moving. I think I need to show you this also.